KOHO and direct deposit, your payday BFF? Ever stare at your bank account on payday, only to see that glorious direct deposit missing? It's a sinking feeling, right? Especially if you rely on that cash flow. So, if you're considering KOHO as your new financial buddy, you might be wondering, does KOHO even have direct deposit? The short answer? Absolutely. KOHO offers direct deposit, allowing you to ditch the paper checks and get your hard-earned money faster and easier. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a sec. Why direct deposit rocks? Think about it. No more waiting for checks to arrive in the mail, no more risking them getting lost or stolen, and no more scrambling to the bank during their limited hours. Direct deposit is a game changer, ensuring your paycheck lands safely in your account, ready to use whenever you need it. Plus, some employers might even offer an earlier payday with direct deposit. Who doesn't love that extra breathing room? KOHO makes direct deposit a breeze. KOHO makes setting up direct deposit a breeze. Here's the lowdown. Easy peasy setup, you can do it all within the KOHO app. Just tap the dollar symbol, head to set up direct deposit, and download a handy-dandy void check. This little piece of digital magic provides all the info your employer needs to send your money straight to your KOHO account. Feeding the info monster, once you have that void check, provide it to your payroll department. Make sure everything matches perfectly, typos can cause delays, and nobody wants that. Velocity limits. A friendly reminder: KOHO has something called velocity limits to ensure the safety and security of your account. Basically, it's a system to monitor incoming and outgoing funds. Don't worry, these limits are usually pretty high, but it's always a good idea to check with KOHO if you're expecting a particularly large deposit. How fast are we talking? Alright, the real question: how long does it take to see that sweet direct deposit hit your KOHO account? Generally, you can expect your paycheck within 1 to 2 business days after your employer sends it out. For government deposits from the CRA, Canada Revenue Agency, it might take a little longer, around 5 business days. Here's a cool bonus. Once your initial direct deposit is reviewed and approved, which usually happens by 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, future deposits from the same source might land in your account even earlier. Keeping tabs on your cash. Speaking of keeping track of your money, the KOHO app is your best friend here. You'll get notified when your direct deposit arrives, and you can easily view all your transactions in one place. No more wondering where your money went. Transparency is key. The not-so-perfect side, but it's minor. While KOHO makes direct deposit a smooth process, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Remember, they don't process deposits on Sundays or holidays. So, if your payday falls on one of those days, expect to see your money the next business day. Also, if your direct deposit doesn't show up by 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on your expected payday, don't panic. Just reach out to KOHO's in-app support, and they'll be happy to help you troubleshoot. KOHO, your direct deposit partner. So, there you have it. KOHO offers direct deposit, making it easy to get your paycheck where it needs to be, fast and secure. Plus, with the intuitive KOHO app, you can stay on top of your finances with ease. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.